What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tamara Recipes. Now I am back with another video, and today I'll be making some rice and peas with basmati rice. Now guys, as you can see, my rice and peas look fluffy and nice. Yes, so on the forward, let me show you how to make it. Alright, so guys, I boil my peas in some fresh coconut milk. The peas is fully cooked, so I am going to add some water so that it has enough liquid to make the rice and peas. However, instead of adding the water, you could choose to use more coconut milk if you wish. So I'm adding a cup of water just to have enough liquid to prepare the rice. Now I'm gonna add a whole scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna add scallion and thyme. Now sometimes I add onion slices, so you can go ahead and put some onion slices if you wish. I'm gonna add a few garlic cloves to it, and of course guys, you know, you're gonna add some salt. I did add some salt when I was cooking the peas, but that was just to flavor the peas. All right, so I'm gonna add some more salt to the pot. However, you will not see me adding the salt, but I did add some more. All right, so I'm gonna cover the pot, allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, just for all of those flavors to go together. All right, afterwards I'm going to add my basmati rice. Now remember that you had the amount of rice to the amount of liquid, right? So if you're going to use a cup of rice, I suggest you use 1.5 cups of water. But it all depends on if you want your rice on the softer side or on the shelly side. Alright guys, so just keep that in mind, that when you're making your rice and peas or any type of rice, you want to ensure that the liquid and the rice, you know, it has the correct ratio. Alright, so ensure that you use a fork to test the level of the rice. So guys, my rice and peas is all done at this point. So what I'll do is to just remove my fresh seasonings, then I'm gonna fluff up the rice. Now this is not a very detailed video, so I will leave links in the description box where you can check out my other rice and peas recipes. So thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate your support. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course share the video guys with others, and subscribe and join the family if you are not already a member. Take care guys, and go and big up on yourself straight.